Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your AI crypto account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in aicryptoinvestment.com and click on Enter. After that, you'll be directed to official homepage of AI Crypto. At the top right corner of your screen, you can see Account option. Hover your mouse to it and then click on Secure Login link here. Now, a login page will appear where you need to type in your email address and password associated with your AI crypto account. After typing in your information, you can click on Secure Login button to log into your AI crypto account. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to recover your password. So that is how you can log into your AI crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.